everyone, my name is Cassidy and I'm a brand ambassador for Cornerstone Reputation. Cornerstone Reputation is an online virtual workshop that teaches you everything you need to know about managing your online profiles.
The Cornerstone Online Workshop helped me understand how an online presence is established so that in the future I am able to present myself the way I want to college admissions officers and athletic recruiters.
The Cornerstone Virtual Workshop followed a very multifaceted way of learning through videos, texts, quizzes, and then doing it yourself online, following what you were just taught. It kept me engaged and it kept me focused, and it allowed me to retain the information I was just taught.
I was very impressed on how oversimplified the workshop was and how easy it was to comprehend.
Cornerstone's virtual course gave me the skills and confidence I need to practice positive posting, and now my online reputation does the work for me as I am searching for jobs.
There's a good chance that I will be using it in the future to help me for colleges and jobs.
I believe this workshop truly advanced my understanding of how people view me online and helped me gain an advantage over other applicants in the college admission process.
I strongly encourage you to go to cornerstonereputation.com to check it out. I hope you'll join me in making your virtual footprint an asset for your future.